Evergreen, Candid. New trends in GK. 6.
Chapter 3 World Deserts. Antarctica Desert, Arctic Desert, Sahara Desert, Arabian Desert, Kalahari Desert, Great Basin Desert, Gibson Desert, Desert. It is a region that receives very low rains or snow not sufficient enough for the growth of any vegetation. Let us learn about some of the deserts of the world. It is situated on the earth. It is a cold desert and covers large desert 2 lakh square meters. Chapter 4 Parliaments. In a democratic country, people elect their representative to form and run the government. These representatives become members of the National Assembly. The National Assembly House, where these members sit and voice their opinions, is known as country's parliament.